this morning, I just came on Facebook and I was kind of scrolling. And I saw this lady, Anna Obum blog. I think not the America con. That lady Anna Obum blog. A kind of video me. I saw one about Zion. And I also saw another video about, I think on that video, she was warning Ezugo. I think that video is for Ezugo. I think. Sometimes doing great. How is Italy? It's been a long time. A better Sunday, I see you. So on that video, that lady was kind of warning Ezugo. I guess in Ezugo corner one. On a boy, a small blogger, a little boy, yeah, something like that, a little boy. Say the JUS here. Oji buru eze wine. Oji onyo buru. Last time, Oji woru page or woru comment. Auntie, I'm here to tell you that you can't do anything. You see the one at Obum blog. Onwe he game. See, I hate when all these people will come on Facebook. They will be kind of trying to, in a threat people on a haga baya, on a hage benka, hage uru pitch or gay, haya make call, haya menka. Like, I hate such people. Yes, as far as I'm concerned, every blogger, if you really don't know anymore on Facebook, you don't drag somebody in a way, either directly or indirectly. Like if all these bloggers, boy anything, Monday can feel how we follow us, so Monday can feel in life go. Na ha na eme this senior. How drag go people in a way or the other. So in a case whereby I can drag yagi small, a potane threaten no a little boy, CJ Joe, a Johnny here. Iji eboru gị mmadụ, ebute gị mmadụ n'ihi ala Johnson. Obum blog, you can't do anything. Ọmụ a na-ekwu ya. O nwere ihe ị ga-eme. I nwere ihe ị chọrọ ime echi, mee ya today. Abụrụ ọmụ adị m like ịpụta afọ ebe eji all these nonsense powers na-threaten some people. Okay, na-threaten Ezugo. Ka Ezugo kwụsị ime live video. Ọ ka Ezugo kwụsị ikwu okwu. You know, I've been seeing a lot of things. Me like this, I know all of you. We all know where you belong. So I may begin wako. If you want to make a video to defend whoever you feel that you are on his own side, or you're feeling your friend, you can do your video right. And not able to threaten Inwe power. Who are you? What are you able? Siga keje Joe isegi. Jekuda your dibia or die your pastor. Kijoya kogwa gonye anti owe honye able. Now we they talk am Obum blog. You know be anything. Hapocha na ataka mame water. All those things don't they shake us. They we don't see about say anything. I saw the video, the thing was like pissing me off. Recently, I saw me in a video. I just name my write-up. I just feel like to do my write-up and do my thing. I focus because Monday they go to busy. But all weekend they can. But man, that video they piss him off. Kaju onebo. Iji menka. Go onebo. Ode kebo. Aja kebo. Onwe hebo. I expected Ezugo. Oh, that video. Piawa gazo. Or blast your hell out of you. You see, I expected Ezugo. Video na a little boy. KJ Drew is a gig. Oh, the video like already uzogi to nothing. Oma honyebo. You need to nchara much on Facebook and Nzuzukunu Nezuzu. Nzuzu. Ana drag your das. Ona tu no to. Putakuna na drag your das. Ona toku no to. But no we can see. Kwaka you no ku diaga. unu ebunie siwanu ka ajụkwa onye Igbo ị ga-emekwe nke a ị gaghị eme nke a. But you are doing it to others. Ọ na-atọkwa gị. Ugbu ole ka ijide gị Evangelist Ebuka Obi pịawa ya azụ indirect way. Ijide Akụ Zion ị pịawa ya azụ indirect way. I na-afụsi all those things. A lot of you. Some of you don't go straight, but unu na-use indirect way. Na-eme nke unu. Mana anyị nwa ma ndị unu na-agwa. That's why somebody like me, whenever I want to do something, I do it straight. Abro mo na-eme like this. Ama m eto okwu ude. Ama m eto okwu ude. That's why if I want to do my thing, I do it straight up. That is what you guys are doing. What was it case gwaka you no obere? Una achanie iji gbuo mmadụ dere gị comment. Igbuo onye ahụ. Ebute gị ya n'ihi ala Johnson. Amakwa mo ihi ala. Ndị ihi ala. Unu ewekwere ma ọ bụghị ihi ala ka ọ kpụ. I just saw the video. I watched it but the thing kind of pissing me off this morning. But I think you don't ihi ala or something. Stand to be corrected. You know? Ka eje jụọ ese gị iji bụrụ nke eji ha bụ nke onye ka ịbụ. Ọ nwere onye ịbụ. Na me dey tell you auntie, o nweghị onye ịbụ and o nweghị ị ga-eme. Ọ bụrụ na ihe akịkụ kifiri na a na-atụ gị ụjọ. Ọ na I don't have time for all this unnecessary saga. For me, and I know like in one time you're gonna waste all those things. I want the important things to face. You know, if not, here most of you know here. All you can do them kawayazu. So next time, if you want to address a kind of issue, or if you want to talk to your fellow blogger, don't threat him or her. You know, if you want to address any of your fellow blogger or whatever you feel, it would not threaten. Okay, let's say the only one he will comment here and page you and you will put it goes here. Can you add it to your life? Obama can use all these nonsense powers. I spent almost 12 years in film industry. All those things can call I moved around. Ona Nigeria no say who. That's why sometimes put on Facebook no for one day. Nachi hochi. Especially there bear my comment in a day hanama. You don't know me, you don't know when I started. Ima be hen jana wefu. If tine ku he jana dia kana togojo. Ne makwebe madirugo. Je bo that your dibia or that your one or whoever. Onya he na feel ni na threaten. Jugo dia ka ogwaga about that person in a threaten. Because sometimes it's not all about you. The person you are threatening, you are trying to. You know? So Obum blog, I believe this is my first time of mentioning you or addressing you on my page. Obum blog. Don't threaten anybody on this Facebook. Hapu Ogechi. Ezugo, J-Pack, these three people have made their thing. If you want to make your own video, every blogger is making video to add on all this saga of a thing. If you want to do your own, you do it straight. I am not J-Pack, you support to J-Pack. Ezugo, we friend to Ogechi, that pack I made their thing. Anyone who feel me, I will do it. But don't come out to threaten anybody. You know, no. At your old age, each and every one, you need Zuzu on Facebook. You need Zuzu. Be proud and mean, you know, in a civilized country like US. Saho nasi ni wo rafa made me ebuolu gonya, butelu gonya na ihiana. Look at what you are saying, and you are proud. So Obum TV, like I said earlier, you cannot do anything. All those things will empty threat. You can't do more than. You know, all of you have been doing this thing. If you want to contribute or if you want to side anybody, you send it direct. I'm not coming out. I start by addressing Ezugo as a little boy. And secondly, who are you? What a hebo. J-Pack here, Ogechi Njaka na Piawazu. Oh, Saga Keji Maria. I would not have one day J-Pack destroy Igbo, if I should put it that way. And emi ana saga. Haka anko. So kita uton ya receive ya in full. Ya receive ya. Secondly, all my whole game make all these things ka akwụsị. But not him ya. All the same unu nwa na-ejinjia. Na-ejinjia menka. Ya gba anụ saga na ofugo saga na agba ọsọ. The next thing is ịgawa n'ukwu isi. Ukwu isi wu nye ndị abụkịta minutes ha kwọtuo ya ọda na ana. Jebe a na-akọ bido isi aka. Na-akọrọ isi ihe m na-amahọ. Oisi ka ọkwa the same jepe aka anọ China. See, provide your own doctor and coming down to Nigeria. Provide your own doctor and coming back to Nigeria. That's what he told the Gate in Jaka. Obatazie Nigeria from China. Oburu Kwoisi. Or Kwoisi with Dr. J Park. Or Kwoisi with Dr. K J Park. Ofidie na saga nke akare ya na asị ka na asị na achi destroyer. Provide your doctor. There are many ways to prove his innocence. Ana-emi ọ na-aga. Ofugo saga na ọ na-agba. The thing na-egbu ya. Ọ mana the thing na-agasara ihe. Kama ọ ya achọkọ esi can stop all these things. All people like you nọ na-akụ na asị ya don't gree. Fire on. Ekwena. Few days ago achọrọ ka sort all those things. Make a peace between them. Still people like you, Obum TV, BGM Park, not to go through those things. Onwe has Igbo friends, and you are among them. Nine years bad advice. Okay, let's just say now, you omaba ni mo here, governor ne duaria. Okay, you know, okota ihe na, ihe ga-eme oge chinja ka kwụsị ikwu okwu. Ko threatening ke gwa Obum TV ga-eme ezugo kwụsị ikwu okwu. All those things don't making any sense to me. You know, ofugo saga, ya me saga. Obaba, ride on. Ara idigia on nisi. So some of you marry who name on this social media. Awo yenye nke puta na page ya, room foundation na makeup. O tejusi everywhere. Ama mada makeup in it, on abagi na brain. Ko inemite ni vite na brain. I'm not getting all those things. A little boy, KJ Joe is give this one, that one. It's not making any sense to me. They back about war. Off go war, ya bawa war. Ya one also, of course, na ase ka na ase. Nka Jimmy Kemo, ya bawa war. Or happen zero or ya ba. So let me assume that na J-Paxi all the way from Lagos. By flight, worth more than at least 200 and something K. Down to Imo State. Ka ọjọọ suje gụọ isi. Biko, ọ bụ na ihe a na-agwa m bụ eziokwu. N'ọrụ m ọgụ ka ha nchata ọfụ, ka ha ncha isi. Asị na isi a na-ọgụ 5,000 years. Ebe nwa n'ọnụ. Onweghị isi contribute. Onye ahụ ọkụ, onye ọha mmiri, nothing. 5,000 years. Ọ gosi not the useless now. Ọ bụ na isi aha na-ọgụ 5,000 years. Wee na-akpa ike. Now no game everything. When you provide it to that community, OIC are the totally useless. You know? Why can mad see? Okay, see in a honeymoon. Sometimes I don't know people. Obu guni ne ke gano. Ona no obu guni ne kamano. And the one thing here make you, if we don't want anything to lose in life, oh here would mad like mad didn't want anything to lose at all. You take again onya anamaka. Meanwhile, you know that you have a lot of things to lose. You have endorsement, you have businesses, you have you influence things to people. Jiwayo, may your thing. Oh no, can track all these things from day one. You are the main problem. Because all those things getting fall out of favor. I expected you to move on and carry out and do other things. You know, every time, Ndioka, use Wogi, audio billionaire, audio nka, like. Until I hear he tugide, or Bakutegina, me arewazie. Kita ozijena, ukwo isi na-enwe isi n'ọdụ. Na kosaro isi, ego isi, ka ị bịasi all the way from Lagos, be kosaro your problem. Some of you, the shameless. And you don't have good advisors. Jay, give a can na go kwa. You want his advisors. You buggy this year war. Jesse boy quickly cause I know na ngusi. Ko isi bia nuzieru gog. O isi bia gbaru go. O isi bia gbazieru di saga. Kita wa go sinika agugo gina. I feel his pains on that video. I feel his pains on that video. If you go say go man the thing na chew am more like on chew ora. I dey sure mo ka ho se ko o ka when e ko honeymoon. Am what is that what? Am what is that what? I can ko honeymoon. Ebo oku no ya n'isi. I don't even know why I'm laughing. This thing shouldn't be funny anyways. You know? Onye carry no na enjoy honeymoon ya. Yes. Thank goodness wetin ya gara ofuma. And the men say many tell ya. He be lie yalu may your thing. May enjoy. Kito onwezi na-ekwu okwu honeymoon. Onwezi na-ekwu okwu ka eme ihe kwesịrị ime. No problem. From elu nana. Or whatever they may lie down, you can do it. This one, that one. He says, some of you that we call him to order. Like, guy, Omo, what I don't the pass Gary you. Take how you say make a stop where here. It doesn't make him a fool. Because when we're allowed to lose. We no go, no na kuna, near, equina, Kuchiri, why, can't, equina. When he me. Na like ejide gia no rasa ogechi rasa gia. He says people like you we call him. Guys, stop all this thing. He may go in on America. And as soon can call Igbo, he will foundation. Give one Obum blog. Will foundation teta ni hu tema na brain gi. Ine query. Ya carry on. Ya made this, ya made that. Or the blame wa Zion. Because I am being able to confusion. So I do know able to confusion and problem among all the bloggers from Southeast. Is in Zion. You see in a question. You guys should know how you are doing your thing, no? Because it's not making any sense to me. J-Pack, I'm telling you now. Water don't pass Gary. Nke aga fego saga. Nke aga fego all these things. You didn't know why you pure wigi cap. I'm a woman, Chinaza, your wife, who need to give my advice yourself. If you wigi cap, you make you stop all these things. If for that peace talk he has 3 days ago, you make you check on that here. Because, my man, okay, if you go here, he can't do anything for you. If you here, only you here garoroge. Na me they tell you. Apon kanka power say aneje men ka. Give money na for na Nollywood. Gini kan jaya man na for na Nollywood entertainment since 2011 to 2023. Ke yi ga korom na like nga sigi na mafu ho. All those rubbish. I don't want to say some certain things, sir. But I don't want on your page. Na asị na n'ibugo mmadụ before CJ Drew esegi na ị ga-egbuko onya no ihe emekwa ihe onwe ihe ị ga-eme na me dey talk am Obum blog amakwa m nke mụ na gị na-azụ ofu afa sef onwe ihe ị ga-eme na me dey talk am you can't do anything. Putogo una na-ekwu rubbish dun na achọ view. Igbo channel is obvious now. Water don't pass Gary. Water don't pass Gary, my brother. Because he watch here in this Ghana. Like, he have to go from saga to reality. And the Imerenu Merana, you can't overshadow Okechi Njaka. Yama J-Pack. There is no way he can overshadow her. Also, Kuya J Bute voice, no who's stripper, Oji Menka. People are not interested in all those things. Because no one too much church. People are not interested. But all those things, J-Pack, like he failed to understand that people are just interested in, you all know Gekuna will not add up. It won't. Like I said on this guy TV, Ogechi ji ya na akpa amụ, o jisi ike na akwa, ịma akwa na abụọ dị na akpa amụ, na akụ ji ya, onwe ebe je park ji azụ eje. O na akụ ji ya na akpa amụ, kpee. And the ones ji ha nwoke na akpa amụ, forget, biko ka ọ ya ayọ gị. Biko ka ọ ga-ayọ gị. All these things we hear, his friends, his manches, kwesịrị na agwa ya. Forget all those things. Forget all those things. Fix things and move on in life. Onye bịa na-eme ka na ama aka ka ibupụtezie ya ka ịpịa ya nke a pịa ya. Ngwa gbawa kụziere the saga one. He showed the way from Lagos. Bịapụta isi n'ime ọhịa. Bịa akọsoro isi mkpa gị. Ekwukwe na-esi n'iwe Christian. Iwe onye ụka. But no ihe a na-eme n'ụka mere eji dịza aga ụka. Iji bọzi onye ụka. Hapụzi ụka ahụ wuru isi. Nkanko isi ka ị bịa kwụrụ na-akọrọ ka o si dịrị gị na gị na nwaanyị na-agbawo eji si gị nka ọ bụ na imego nka ọ bụ na imego nka. What a fuck, man. It's not making any sense to me. So guy ona no wekwe mu ya na-eso okwu ndị ma mma onye mbụ all this is I am on Facebook or here Facebook o mu ya na-eso okwu almost mu everybody know in contact. Yes, but we can hear here like this. A man and one ne. Secondly, I don't have any problem with people's private life. Also, I don't fucking have any problem with it. One thing you know is that there is no smoke without fire. And the secondly, in a church too much. You know? So there is no way you can win this fight as far as I'm concerned. There is no way or they are possible. Also, they are on EG whatever from Ogechi. Also, when you do post to till next year 2025, people don't give a fuck. People don't give a fuck about whatever you will post. So I did not want a tickle maintain what as a guy man. He can even see himself. Stop all this whole thing. Since after his wedding, no rest. Even people where no come. Even people where no come rest. Igbo channel, you know say na your guy. You guys should, know how to do your thing. And all of you did that Lagos. You guys should do your thing. The guy they F. The guy they like. It's getting out of hand. When you could say na akuna. At least na tagodu nwunye ya wee o jide nwunye o tai ha sisi ata na mmadu, those things. I don't care about people's life. I don't dwell on people's past life or whatever. But sometimes you put on working here azuogi. You do your thing. For me, o kari amma na ogbagodo nkiti. Na-eme ko nwe ihe ọ na-afụ da n'ihe anu na-ezuzu. So let me stop here. It's been a long time I post video. I did all this video because I just enjoy doing my write-up and sit back and watch other things. But this Obum blog, they are threatening no buru mado. With onye wana osi no eze nwa mama eze nwa anya ka odibia cause no wo kara mado kara mmụọ. Be here me nje me video. She can't do anything. I keep saying it. Onwe ihe oge eme. Onwe ihe obu. Si ya kwụsị pụta na threatening Ezugo or whoever. O mere that video too. Uncha ine wo I'm a content creator or blogger. I'm able to place many of you. So you do it. Adogi idie ya. Idokwa onye ọzọ he die ya. Sometimes people will ask me, can see I handle all this insult and I drop on my comment box and other things. I don't see it as anything. Because I know I'm not normal on my in a way. If I want to talk your matter, I go talk him. Tell you some certain things. Drag your papa join. I'm in a way, you got like here. So when you try to throw those things back at me, I will try to accept it. Because now I hear in China. So when you go on also, onya anabate, oze ka onya ase gwa gi in a way, he threaten ba na igegbu ya, si ga ju ese gi, iji ndi dibia ko eze nwan we gbu onya. Akpo dibia jo dibia onye ewo. Ka agbafuzie elu gi na. It's not making any sense to me. That's why I don't have time. Can't now block where they commented there. You are free to write whatever you want to write. Before I block, I'll give you a fake account. That causes nuisance on my page. That's the only way I will block. But as far as it's your real identity, people will not that your stupidity. I don't have any problem with it. You can write whatever you want to write. As far as know your opinion, good. You deal with it. At one time, I may ask a block. So I dog idea. He don't want idea. It's better if you one-on-one. Give me a good ezibo. No ezibo kamuke. That is if you carry all this social media Facebook team. Nisi. If you one-on-one, it's okay to do buria. My same ni neje woru pitch onya or comment onya. Yes, and why you native doctor. A lady, a mother in that matter. Kebulu give mother and the sahako. CCJ Joe Eburozo onya Butegini here at Johnson. Sound to be corrected. I'm asking more here like I mentioned the year. Eburozo onya Butegini here at Johnson. CJ Juice. AJ Ajonye. Oh, you can't do anything. When they come out now and then they spit all those rubbish. Let me stop here. This is morning. Come, I go the angel. You know. So I hope you guys are doing great. Donadis, I see you. What's up? Those that live by saga. You see those that live by saga. You watch a saga no why. If you saga na aba. If you on Facebook, you see no saga ke chori ji we bido. Don't worry. Okwa saga. E ga agbagide saga. Igbagide saga. If you hear me onwe gi. Onye ekelo, I see you. Greetings. Kiruka Juliet, how you doing? Flank Wolabi, I also see you, bro. What's up? Donaldis, how far now? It's been a while, bro. OGB Campus, I see you. What's up? Happy weekend. I used to tell people, as far as this Facebook is concerned, as far as this social media is concerned, only on a parege, paria back. Emena kafugi ni wesibo money. People have to tell they humiliate you like psychologically, they mess it up emotionally. If you don't want a dog, don't have back. That is just the thing. You know? So men na okay bia ka na eme or each other kwokwe, you na eme ke gari kwoku. I'm the reason why some things in eme since I told me to you there. Because something on there like him ko ya ko sede another word akwa. A lot of things may go on. Mo ga ase onye ministry na sponsor onya this one down. I am hearing him there. As I dey like this, every move I drop me on WhatsApp. Every onye feel you know name is here online. And me with everything on WhatsApp straight up. If you go knock a guy, he may delete ye. Or you go dey grab ya. And that monya again ya woku ha na people e burious. You know that some all those things sometimes. I just let it go. if not ta me why nwaka na emoro me ha nke ndị against ya ibi ebe a na-threaten mmadụ so nobody should threaten anybody Chineke akpọ onye ahụ ọkụ MC Hallelujah is another belle face you know say MC matter maybe online something because if you can't do them online now you go bring some so now offline something so you don't want to go into that now offline something. But anything that has to do with Sabo is what somebody like me, let me just use myself as a case study. I can't deal with it. If you want me like this, each other gas straight, oh he ga una. So like but that is by the way. Let me stop here.